habaan yung inyong PC. Okay? If this is about love, ganun din. More patience. Patience is the key. Regardless, no matter what your relationship status. Actually, for some of you, kung hindi kayo magpapatalo sa ilang negativity, or meron kayong kailangan i-release, or higit nyo mababalance ang koneksyong ito, couples, in relationship, I see new beginnings, renewal, or single, the Ace of Cups ay narito. Kung pahihintulutan nyo lang, wag lang magmamadali. Mercury will go in retrograde again. Not the best time to commit. I mean, hindi sa hindi magiging okay. Pero, very important, single. If ever may mag-appear, Knight of Cups po umangat. Someone new, ang inyong matatawag ng Knight in Shining Armor, why not? Kilalanin mo ng bawat isa, okay? Very important yan, this month. Get to know each other, enjoy nyo muna yung bawat isa, kahit over the net lang ito. Hindi sa hindi magiging okay, pero take it easy, kalmahan muna ang sarili. Darating kayo doon. Last month of months, December 2025, sumasang-ayon ng mga doggies. Message? Anong kailangan marinig ng isang Aquarius? Guidance po. Message. December.